Alright guys, we're back out here today at this pond with all these little fish.
I haven't caught one fish yet.
Yeah, Ethan hasn't caught a single fish yet. But Jack, what'd you catch?
I caught a
big perch.
Big perch,
I
don't know.
King perch.
Giant perch on a stick. It's not even a rod, it's just a stick with some line on it.
Ethan made it for me.
Crazy is going on right now. Ethan almost had one. Alright, let's get this fish off the hook. Just hooked up with this this monster fish. Ethan's in a paddle boat. It's ginormous. It's like 10-pounder, I think. Ethan's got a fish. Ethan, what you got? Yeah. Ethan.
Cut me with the spins.
Ethan, what you got?
Birds.
Ellie, what you got?
It's probably 2-3 pounder.
Probably at least.
At least.
Right?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get the right angle. Oh yeah, that's 4 or 5 pounds.
Yeah, easy.
Alright. Nice. My dad's on the fight of his life right now. He's pulling drag. Oh my god, he can't even get this thing in. He's
diving down.
He's diving. You gotta buckle down on this boy. Ooh.
Strap me into the chair.
Oh yeah, get your strap. Oh god, he's so big.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's a 9-pounder. What you got, Papa Don?
I got the black dot perch.
Nice. How big is he?
He's probably 62 pounds.
Probably?
Probably.
Alright.
See ya.
Got another one. I think this one is a 63-pounder. So we're gonna let him go. What do you think, Papa Don?
Yeah, let him go so we can catch him. 65 pounder.
Okay, this one is a little bit smaller, but I think he's still at least 20 pounds. Pushing 25, I think. We just set a new world record. So we're gonna let him go. Alright guys, I think he just caught the new world record. How much do you think?
I would say somewhere close to 80 pounds, definitely.
Definitely.
Caught him on my top water fly fishing.
No worms, no nothing.
No worm, no bait.
That's
Just that fabulous looking little fly.
nice.
Very nice. Should have had on my t-shirt today. My low standard t-shirt. Okay.
Oh, that was
80 pounds. You're lucky you didn't break the pier.
Hey, turn around, you're recording your face. Got our first catfish here. A nice little catfish boy. I'm gonna flip him over so I can get a good grip on him. Because these things sting. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, for real.
Our first cat catch.
Going back. Bam. At least 190 pounds, I think.
Good catch.
Yeah.
Catch of the day.
120-pounder here. 140-pound grouper. Just, pulled them right from those trees over there. Yeah, basically New World State Universe record. Alright, what's up guys? We back out here again today,
Foot-long catfish.
Ow, okay. Yeah, we got a nice catfish here,
How heavy is it, Evan?
It's heavy, I guess.
Like estimate how heavy.
Oh, I'd say maybe 1.5 pounds to 2.
Wow.
But yeah, I mean,
That's pretty good.
We're doing pretty good out here.
I caught like 7 perch
We're
already.
here
8?
it is.
Not
Lift
sure.
it up so you can see.
Oh
That's a
my
nice
God.
catfish. We're using a little piece of a dead perch that we saw they were hitting out on top
Yeah.
of the water. So we
And
took the
Evan used a full fish tail.
We took the paddleboard out there and we got it and cut it up and used it as bait. So now we're gonna let go. Wait, don't bring my phone over the water. Back up.
Bye, fishy. Hope you have a
There
nice
you go.
time.
Hey guys, just a few minutes after that last video, hooked up on another
Caught
nice.
an even bigger one.
Yeah, it's a little bit bigger.
3 pounds? Maybe?
No, I'll still give it 2.
2.5 maybe?
I don't know. I have a scale in my bag so we can know for sure, but
Well, you want to go get it?
no, I don't. I'll do it on the next one.
Still, like a professional fisher might even catch that.
What?
That's the catfish.
A professional fisher?
Yeah.
Well, you know, that's me. I'm the professional fisher. Oh, all right. Let's catch this.
Okay.
Guys, you know, we out here. You know, you already know what we're doing. We're gonna catch some fish. Feeder just threw. That's
And we
cool.
wondered what it was.
So then you reel it in.
So I reeled it in, and then my line just snapped. So we're wondering what happened. Yeah, he had to sign an autograph.
Hello.
Hey,
What are you talking about?
this kid was like, dude, are you a YouTuber? And I was like, yeah. He's like, what's your channel name? And I told him and stuff, and he made it, he told me to sign the channel name and my name on a piece of paper. And I was like, okay.
Oh, cool. So did you get some cool footage?
Huh?
You get some cool footage?
It's hard to hear you. We're in the middle of the ocean still.
You're still on the ocean? Cool, cool. All right, well, let's see. I got to get back to fishing. So.
Alright, I gotta get back to land.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, so basically, if y'all don't know what happened, Charles just got off the phone with me. He was saying that he's on a deep sea charter tour right now, and he was on there and had to sign some autographs for LSO people. So that's pretty cool. Apparently, some guy wanted an autograph from us, or him particularly, because he was there. We're going to, right now, we're going to try to hook up on the monster that broke this line, and this is about probably 12-pound line or so. Some of these boys, these are minnows, or just not minnows, but smaller fish. What I like to do is I like to take one, and I like to take this. I like to take the hook point. Shoot, that's not what I like to do. I like to take this and go right here
Oh yeah, we caught a lot of bait.
and stick it right there behind the back where he can still swim around. And then I just launch him out there.
Then you have to wait for a long time.
Put your finger in its mouth.
Bottom or top?
No, pinch it. No, like pinch it like that. Yeah. Hold it. Pinch it hard. Pinch it hard. Hey, Mom. It's got a fish. You're holding it. Okay, now you can throw it back.
I caught 4 perch. I caught 4 perch
And wipe it on your shirt.
to catch the beast.
Evan,
Reel it up.
big one.
Reel it. Reel it. Reel it. Reel it. Reel
Oh
it.
my god. Hey, take this wine. Take
Yeah,
that
what?
wine.
What line?
No, my wine. This is big.
It's possibly a catfish.
Catfish or perch?
Yeah, it's a catfish.
Oh my god, that's awesome! Yeah! Look!
Oh wait, don't lift it like that.
Look! I got a catfish! Turn on your thing.
It's recording. I got that all. Look at what my mom caught. Careful of the fins, because they can sting you.
I'm not gonna touch this
and it'll
thing, don't
hurt
worry.
forever.
That's awesome!
It's the big one.
I got a big one! Watch out for my wine. Don't let the catfish juice in my wine.
The catfish.
Yeah, that's so
Watch out for
cool! I caught it! Yeah! Oh! Yay! Look at me!
You want to hold it?
Nope.
Alright, let's let it go in the water.
That is so cool! I caught it! I caught a catfish.
I'm trying to catch the beast right now. I got my line as tight as it goes.
Nice.
Guys, look, I caught a minnow.
What? Oh!
Okay.
Taking up!
Okay, I don't know what's happening, but
We got traffic.
fish, reel it in, Jack.
Fish on! Fish on!
Fish is picking up. I don't know why all of a sudden.
Got y'all both have something? What's going on here?
Oh, that's my line getting wrapped around him. That was kind of funny that you caught one and then I caught one. All right, Mom.
Ah! No!
Come on, I need to get the beast.
That was a beastly catfish.
That was beastly,
I
Mom.
need to get the actual.
You're a beast. That was the beast. You caught it with this little tiny pole.
I know. So funny. Is it another catfish? It is! Look! Look! Heather!
Let me see. Oh, you did
Oh,
not.
what happened to him? He has like a sore. I hooked him on his gill.
Oh, I've caught this one before.
The one with the sore?
Yeah.
Oh. I felt like smallpox or something.
You didn't.
What?
You hooked him on the gill. He didn't eat it.
Well,
He was-
whatever. That's like.
He's
Oh
probably.
my God, Ethan, be careful.
He's probably hitting at it, but.
Okay, that's awesome. I want to do more. I like it now.
Okay.
I like it when I actually catch something. What's that? Did you not get anything?
Had to set the hook on.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Ooh, a little guy.
Yeah. Oh, I got stung, I think.
What?
I think he stung me.
He stung you?
I'm not sure. I got poked by his fin. I can't feel anything yet, but